Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basics. Today's video is all about how to download the Golotm Bank app. Let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Golotm Bank. And you should see the official Golotm Bank app appear. Tap on the app icon and then hit install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once the download is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. You have downloaded and launched the Golotm Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.